Okay, then we have to see a most important part. We can say it's the grammar part. Okay, from this one. Okay, we have studied in the previous classes that pronouns are word used instead of noun. Okay, and in that we have to see personal pronoun which are given there. After that, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, and interrogative pronouns. Okay, these things we have to see. For that, you have to open your textbook or notebook. Okay, I will give some definitions to you and you have to write that. Is it clear? So first thing, you have to say me what is pronoun. Pronouns are words that used instead of noun. Okay, these are definite. This is the definition of pronoun. You can say DEF means definition. This is the short form, and in that first thing we have to say what is personal pronoun. Okay, in last year definitely you have learned that. Okay, PER, personal pronoun. Okay, personal pronouns means, okay, the definition of this word, this one, the pronouns that used for person. Okay, that are personal pronouns. Okay, and the examples of personal pronoun. Okay, we know that बहुत बार क्या कहते हैं हम जो पर्सन के लिए प्रोनाउन या वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं ना, तो उन्हें पर्सनल प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. जैसे कि हम क्या कहते हैं, खुद के लिए आई यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, देन आप हम जिससे बात करते हैं उसके लिए यू करते हैं, आई वी. ओके, लाइक दिस, आई वी यू. Then he, she, it, and last one they. These are personal pronouns. Okay, that used for the person. Okay, I also used for person, we also, you, he, she, it, they. Okay, these are the personal pronouns. Okay, is it clear? Second kind of pronoun, that is demonstrative. Okay, demonstrative. Okay, demonstrative pronoun. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन मतलब कैसे होते हैं, देखो, जो किसी चीज को डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करते हैं. डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना मतलब किसी चीज को दिखाने के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं ना हम लोग, तो उसे डेमोन्स्ट्रेट कहते हैं. जैसे कि दिस इज माय बैग, दिस इज माय पेन. ओके, दैट इज आवर न्यू स्कूल. जो ऐसे एक दूसरे को दिखाने के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं, दिस, दैट, दोस, तो इन वर्ड्स को डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव कहते हैं. ठीक है, तो इसकी डेफिनेशन अपने बुक में डेफिनेशंस नहीं दी है, उसके लिए हम खुद बनाएंगे. डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव pronouns are words. Okay, before that we use demonstrative pronouns are the words that point to some noun, किसी और नाउन को दिखाने के लिए जो हम वर्ड्स यूज करते हैं ना, तो उन वर्ड्स को डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव कहते हैं। जैसे कि देखो आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में एक एग्जांपल दिया है, कौन सा है? दिस इज अ किंगफिशर, okay, kingfisher. So in this sentence, this word, okay, no, we will underline it, okay, this one. This word is a demonstrative pronoun in this sentence because this used to point out to the kingfisher. जो किंगफिशर को दिखाने का काम कौन करता है? दिस करता है, तो उसके लिए दिस को हम क्या कहेंगे? डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन। तो इसके इस जैसे ऐसे बहुत सारे आप क्या कर सकते हो, एग्जांपल्स देख सकते हो, ओके। सपोज सेकंड एग्जांपल अगर हमको लेना है तो हम कैसे लेंगे? दैट इज माय पेन। समझो आप कहीं खड़े हो और आपको किसी के हाथ में आपका पेन दिखा जो गुम हो चुका है, तो आप उसके लिए जो दैट वर्ड यूज करोगे ना, तो ये दैट वर्ड क्या होगा? डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन होगा। क्लियर हुआ? तो और कौन से वर्ड है? देखो और इसमें और दो वर्ड्स आते हैं उसमें, दिस, दैट, दोज एंड लास्ट वन दीज, ओके। ये बाकी भी वर्ड है, ये भी आपको पता है, ये सेंटेंस में हम बहुत बार यूज करते हैं, ओके। तो ये हुए डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस। ये क्लियर हुआ? This is my English teacher, okay. See, this is my friend, okay. Then we can say these, that, those and these. When these words are used in a sentence instead of noun, then we can say that are the demonstrative pronouns. Is it clear to all students? Okay. We will complete these two sentences. Those all are my friends, okay. Then those girls are very brave, okay. Then those we will underline that words. Those and these, okay. These all are demonstrative pronouns, okay. Write fast. The next thing is there, okay. First personal, then demonstrative, then after that a relative pronoun, okay. Relative pronoun. रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो इसके आगे आप जब टेक्स्ट बुक में देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा, ओके। सम प्रोनाउंस नॉट ओनली रिप्लेस नाउन्स बट आल्सो कनेक्ट टू सेंटेंसेस, ओके। इट मींस रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर द वर्ड्स दैट not only connect, okay, that not only, सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? replace nouns, comma, but also connect टू सेंटेंस। ओके, तो इसका मतलब रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन का मतलब क्या है, ये देखो जी, इसके हम क्या करेंगे, इसे थोड़ा नीचे लेंगे और यहाँ पे डेफ लिखेंगे, मतलब डेफिनेशन हुआ। तो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन किसे कहेंगे, तो सिंपल थिंग आपको याद रखनी है। देखो जो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस है, जो दो सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करने का काम करते हैं। जब दो सेंटेंस है, उससे कनेक्ट करने का जो काम करने वाले वर्ड्स होंगे ना, तो आप उसे क्या कह सकते हैं, क्या कहेंगे उसे, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन। क्योंकि उनका क्या होता है, पहले सेंटेंस का और दूसरे सेंटेंस का रिलेशन बनाने का काम करते हैं, उन दोनों को कनेक्ट करने का काम करते हैं, तो उन वर्ड को हम क्या कहेंगे, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस। ओके, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस आर द वर्ड्स दैट नॉट ओनली रिप्लेस द नाउन बट आल्सो कनेक्ट टू सेंटेंसेस। ओके, जो दो सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करने वाले वर्ड्स होंगे, तो उन वर्ड्स को हम क्या कहेंगे, रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस। ओके, and now we have to see example. Okay, okay, in your textbook you can find there, okay, there is a sentence, biology is a science, it studies living organism. Okay, there are two sentences, biology is science, this is one sentence, and it studies living organisms, this is the second sentence. Okay, but okay, after that you can see one sentence, biology is a science which or that. Okay, any one word you can use, studied living organism. Okay, when the upper two sentences are connected with some specific words and they make a one sentence by using one particular word. Okay, and that two sentences become one sentence, then we call that the words which are used for connecting the two sentences, we call it relative pronoun. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में क्या याद रखेंगे, जो रिलेटिव प्रोनाउन होता है ना, वो ब्रिज के तरह होता है, इधर का रास्ता और इधर का रास्ता दोनों को कनेक्ट करता है। समझो कोई रिवर है, ओके, रिवर का एक साइड मतलब एक सेंटेंस, रिवर का दूसरा साइड मतलब दूसरा सेंटेंस। ओके, तो उन दोनों को कनेक्ट करने के लिए नदी के उस एक छोर का और दूसरी छोर का रास्ता अगर एक साथ करना है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा, उस पे ब्रिज बनाना पड़ेगा ना। तो ये ब्रिज जो होता है, ये ब्रिज मतलब ही रिलेटिव प्रोनाउंस होता है। ठीक है, सो एग्जांपल, बायोलॉजी इज अ साइंस, ओके, that okay studies living organism. Okay, okay, if you want one more example, then we also provide. Okay, this is one example we will write here. Okay, because page is completed, that's why we will use here second example. Okay, second example of, okay, there is in your textbook that are not given, but we can use another sentences. Okay, suppose Ram is a teacher who teaches maths. Okay, this is second sentence, and in these both sentences, which words are used as relative pronoun? Okay, who. Okay, this who word used to connect the both sentences, Ram is teacher and teaches maths. Okay, these are two sentences connected with who, and in this sentence that. Okay, these are also relative pronouns. Is it clear, everyone? Very good. Okay, some another words are also there, and you can use that word in your sentence to connect the two sentences. Okay, in that, who whose, then whom. Okay, these are also words that you can use in your sentence to connect the two sentences. Okay, you can use this. So write fast these things. Write fast, because we have only 8 minutes. And you have to keep in mind, okay, such type of grammar part is very important for your exam. Okay, that's why whatever lessons or whatever the grammar parts are taught to you, you have to read that very carefully, you have to study that very carefully. Okay, completed? If it's not possible to write, just make a screenshot, and after lecture you can write that all things. Okay, just make that photo screenshot. Okay, and after lecture you can write. It is very simple. Okay, and after lecture you have to send me that photos, okay, of your screenshot and your textbook also. Okay, so next point we will see. Okay, and next part is interrogative pronouns. Okay, interrogative pronouns मतलब क्या है? देखो सिंपल में the pronouns which are used to ask the question या सवाल पूछने के लिए जो WH words यूज किए जाते हैं ना सबसे पहले, what, which, how, where, which, okay, wherever, तो ये वर्ड्स क्या होते हैं? इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस होते हैं जो सवाल पूछने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं. ठीक है, इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. तो इसका डेफिनेशन क्या है? इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस are the words, okay, that used to ask the questions. Okay, सवाल पूछने के लिए जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ना यूज किए जाते हैं, तो उन वर्ड्स को क्या कहेंगे हम? इंट्रोगेटिव. सवाल पूछने के लिए जो वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पे देखो दिया है व्हाट इज योर नेम, देन क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओके, interrogation means questions. Okay, in that what this word is interrogative pronoun. Okay, then second sentence, which is your quote. In this sentence, which this one is interrogative, then who is your coach? Coach means teacher. Okay, okay, so these are interrogative pronouns, okay, which used for ask the questions. Is it clear? If you want some more examples, then we can take. Okay, we will write here more examples, just one or two. Where do you go for holiday? Okay. In this sentence, which word is example of interrogative? Okay. Where? Is it clear, all students? Where are you going? Very good. Okay. Good. You can write so many examples. So after that, okay, there are some underline the pronouns. Okay. After that, you can see in your textbook. First of all, we have to just make a screenshot of this one also. Okay. Now we have to clear it. Okay, it's clear. Then just go through our textbook. Where are the questions? Okay, this is also some grammar questions. Underline. Okay, underline pronouns. Okay, here. Okay, so you have to identify which type of sentences are, which are the personal pronouns. Okay, underline the pronouns in the following sentence and name their types. Okay, so first sentence, what do you want to do? What? This is pronoun. And what is the kind of that pronoun? Interrogative. Interrogative pronoun. Okay. Okay. Then in second sentence, it is because of your father that I feel no inequality. Okay. It is because of your father. This is one sentence. Then I feel no inequality. This is second sentence. So when two sentences are connected by one word, then we call it relative pronoun. Okay. This one, relative pronoun. Then third, what your that is what your topics mean. Then that, underline this word that, and this is demonstrative. Okay, demonstrative pronoun. Okay, and then last one, she is fascinated by the small thread which winds of the mountains. Okay, in this sentence we can say she, this also personal pronoun, and which also. Okay, then at the last we have to mention this. Okay, as answer, she, this one is personal pronoun,